Hi there, welcome back to our Flow Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Qualified, which is basically a platform that provides a um, AI agent that allows you to that acts basically as an AI SDR. Okay, so well, it is basically called Piper in this case. So first of all, we can see that the headline and subheadline are very transparent, so it's very clear what this business does. And here they've got a nice little video
Meet
if you
Piper,
want,
the number
if you
one
want
AI SDR agent.
more context on the software, because some credibility elements here as well in terms of the brands that they've already worked with, and there's some really high profile ones as well, like Asana and Adecco. So here they talk more about the features of the SDR agent. For example, the fact that Fiverr can have face-to-face conversations and guide buyers through their entire journeys. Okay, and basically talk about how it's able to, um, I guess, as you can see from this diagram, unify these two sections where you have to market generated leads and qualified leads all into one. Okay, and these are obviously using human SDRs, because this is just the AI agent, so it shows you how you're gonna save on time and money basically. Um, if we scroll down, they talk more about the benefits of this platform. For example, knowing that you can meet with your best buyers face to face, you can send timely email notes and follow-up sequences, and you can provide a seamless conversation experience as well. Um, Now they've got some testimonials, which is good for a social proof again. You can see, and I believe these are actually video testimonials, which is really good because you can actually see the videos of people speaking about the software. And these are very powerful again for credibility, even more than actual static testimonials. So this is really
All
good.
right, welcome everybody.
So if we go back,
My name is Craig Swensford, the founder and CEO of Qualified, and I'm
going back, so you can see that testimonials very powerful. Oops. Okay. There's also more testimonial, well, more brands, shall I say, on you know all the platforms I've used is in that again, once again, very high performance like Unity. You can see Webflow, all right? See Greenhouse, Sentinel One. So a lot of really high profile brands that have already decided to use um, this software, Barracuda, stuff like that, Bloomridge. All right. And again, it's powerful because it's got 1,800 plus five-star reviews, and it's ranked number one in agentic marketing platforms across G2, Salesforce, App Exchange, and Forrester. Okay, and that's it. So yeah, this is then the end of the homepage. Potentially, they could have given an actual lead magnet here to get the prospect to actually enter their emails, because this is probably could be increased in terms of conversions and opt-in rates. Also, adding it at the top of the page might have been more helpful, and potentially adding a frequently asked questions section at the bottom here to handle any objections that prospect might have. Otherwise, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this, and if you're a SaaS founder and would like to increase your conversions, click on the link down below. Otherwise, I hope you have a nice day. Bye.